So this is a review of the practice test questions 1 and 2. And question 1, letter A, the question is, what is the difference between a population and a sample? And a population is all of the elements that we're concerned to make conclusions about. A sample rather, is only a small portion of the population. For example, if we were to do a poll for an upcoming election, we may have 100 million possible voters, but we would take only a small sample of perhaps 1,000 of those voters. So a sample is a small part of the population. Letter B, the question is, which is the most important requirement when taking a sample from a population? And the answer is a sample must be random. If we think about the sample for the poll of an election, we have voters throughout the entire country. We wouldn't take a sample just from one city or from one segment of the population. We'd want to take a sample from the entire population randomly throughout the entire population, so a sample must be random. If we look at question number 2, to give 2 reasons why you may need to select only a sample from a population. And one answer is the population is too large. For example, the 100 million voters, it would be too many people for us to sample. We could never get to every one of them. And a second reason is that the sample, to sample the entire population, is too expensive. It would cost too much to do so.